How to fix YouTube not showing full screen. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. If the YouTube is not showing the full screen, go ahead and check out this step. Firstly, you need to check for the Wi-Fi connection and make sure that the Wi-Fi is at optimum speed. If not, you can switch into a mobile data or airplane mode for a couple of seconds, then turn it back off. After that, you can try again to launch your YouTube and watch the video on the full screen. Second, there might be a bug or the glitch issue. In order to solve it, tap open your phone settings. Within your phone settings, scroll down to navigate on apps and click on it. Head over to all apps, then tap on the search icon to search for YouTube. From here, tap on the force stop button and OK. Head to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. This will remove any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing such problem. Last but not the least, try to restart your device. Press and hold onto the power button, then click on the restart icon. These steps will help you to fix the issue of your YouTube not showing the full screen. Hopefully, you will go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.